5 Best Burr Grinders. Portable Manual Coffee Grinder Conical Ceramic. Portable Manual Coffee Grinder Conical Ceramic Burr Grinder for Home Office Traveling Washable Coffee Mill Easy Cleaning. Brand name Artens. Power source manual. Type Burr Grinders, Conical. Power, W, 0 watts. Certifications. Model number 0178. Housing material resin plus stainless steel. Mini manual ceramic coffee grinder stainless steel. Mini manual ceramic coffee grinder stainless steel adjustable coffee mill with storage rubber loop easy cleaning. Brand name Artens. Power source manual. Type Burr Grinders, Conical. Model number 0176. Power, W, 0 watts. Certifications. Housing material stainless steel. Stainless steel hand Burr mill grinder. Manual coffee grinder coffee maker ceramics core 304 stainless steel hand Burr mill grinder ceramic corn coffee grinding machine. Stainless steel hand coffee grinder. Material, 304. Material, stainless steel. Type, manual. Size, 50 x 50 200 mm. Selection, ground coffee beans and so on dry goods. Manual coffee grinder hand steel ceramics core. Power, W, manual. Type Burr Grinders, Conical. Model number CG01. Housing material stainless steel. Power source manual. Manual coffee grinder, Burr coffee maker grinders. Corn, grain milling machine. Voltage, V, manual. Suitable, coffee bin, rice. Classical wooden manual coffee grinder. Brand name Artens. Power source manual. Power, W, 0W. Type Burr Grinders, flat wheel. Model number 0036. Certifications. Housing material wood. Color, brown. Size 17 x 9.6 8.5 cm. Style vintage coffee grinder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.